Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated maintenance and instructional how-to video channel on YouTube. Zontes videos are designed for factory training and dealer know-how, as bikes these days disassemble in a complex layered manner. So the video you are watching does not mean the bike has flaws. It shows dedication from Zontes to ensure all procedures are met when exporting to the global market. Can you name me any other motorbike manufacturer that provides this level of detail? Please enjoy the video, and if afterwards you have learnt something, well, that's my satisfaction complete.
On the Zontes 703 are to proceed with the oil change. You need to remove the side fairings to gain access. Firstly, you need to remove the inner cowling, then separate the two side fairings where they meet at the bottom of the cowling. This is so you can then take off the left fairing panel to gain access to the oil drain bolt and oil filter. Follow the video closely to ensure you remove all the bolts in the same method as the video. Take your time, as you don't want to break any fasteners, and place the cowling inner and the side fairing in a suitable safe place, so no scratches etc. will damage your panels. Then proceed to warm up the bike for 3 minutes, which will make the oil draining easier, as the oil will be more fluid. Be careful not to burn yourself on the exhaust or the oil that comes out of your bike. Changing the oil and filter on a Zontes 703 RR is a straightforward process, but it's essential to follow the correct steps to ensure optimal performance. This video will show you how, step by step. Here's a general guide. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the necessary tools: a wrench, oil filter wrench, drain pan, and a funnel. Ensure you have the correct type and amount of oil and a compatible oil filter for the Zontes 703 RR. Warm up the engine for a few minutes to make the oil flow more easily. Step 2. Draining the old oil. Place the drain pan under the oil drain plug. Use a wrench to remove the drain plug and let the old oil drain completely. Once drained, clean the drain plug and reinstall it securely. Step 3. Replacing the oil filter. Locate the oil filter and use an oil filter wrench to remove it. Apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the rubber gasket of a new filter. Screw the new filter into place by hand until it's snug, then tighten it slightly more with a wrench. Step 4. Adding new oil. Remove the oil filler cap and use a funnel to pour in the recommended amount of new oil. Replace the filler cap and start the engine for a minute to circulate the oil. Check the oil level with the dipstick and add more if necessary. Step 5. Final checks. Inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Dispose of the old oil and filter responsibly at a recycling center. Let me know in the comments if you'd like assistance with anything else. The reasons why you perform regular oil changes are: engine longevity. Regular oil changes ensure that the engine remains well lubricated, reducing wear and tear on moving parts. This is crucial for maintaining the bike's performance and extending its lifespan. Optimal performance. Clean oil helps the engine run smoothly, ensuring consistent power delivery and fuel efficiency. A clogged oil filter can restrict oil flow, leading to overheating and reduced performance. Preventing contaminant buildup. Over time, oil collects dirt, debris, and metal particles. Changing the oil and filter removes these contaminants, preventing them from causing damage to the engine. Manufacturer's recommendations. Following the recommended maintenance schedule ensures that the bike operates as intended by the manufacturer. It also helps maintain warranty coverage and resale value. Safety. A well-maintained engine is less likely to fail unexpectedly, ensuring a safer ride. I hope this video is useful. Best regards, Mad. Okay, all good and well done for a great job on completing the oil service on your bike. Now it's time to put back on the side fairing. Take your time and ensure that the panel fits in the tabs at the top of the panel. Then proceed to join the two side panels at the bottom of the cowling. Then once all bolted up, proceed to fit the inner cowling. Again, take your time and follow the video on which bolts to put in first. Wow. Now stand back and glory in your achievement. I bet you have a big smile on your face. Congratulations. A job well done. Now follow the instructions in your owner's manual to reset your service reminder light on your dashboard. Well, there's only one thing left to do. That's grab your helmet and safety gear, get on your bike, and go enjoy yourself. Ride safe, ride hard, and always remember to walk around your bike every time, before starting the bike, to do a visual safety inspection on your bike, including the tire pressures and any fluid leaks, etc. You know it makes sense. Until next time, Mad Mick.
If you could please promote my channel on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your support. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, Mad Mick.